Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about question tags, with present form of the verb to be. Let's get started. Question tags are used to ask for confirmation. They turn a statement into question. Question tags are formed with an auxiliary verb and a subject pronoun. Structure of a question tag. Positive statement, negative tag. Example: you are a student, aren't you? Negative statement, positive tag. Example: you aren't a student, are you? I am, aren't I? He is, isn't he? She is, isn't she? Is it, isn't it? We are, aren't we? You are, aren't you? They are, aren't they? I am a boy, aren't I? He is a teacher, isn't he? She is in Colombo, isn't she? It is a gift, isn't it? We are students, aren't we? You are tired, aren't you? I am not, am I? He isn't, is he? She isn't, is she? It isn't, is it? We aren't, are we? You aren't, are you? I am not a boy, am I? He isn't a teacher, is he? She isn't in Colombo, is she? It isn't a gift, is it? We aren't students, are we? You aren't tired, are you? They aren't Sri Lankans, are they? Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. It's for you.